Hi, it's Tiger and we're going to be opening Petit Vour. And oh, the top's sticky. Sticky right there. Ow. This is all vegan, just like Vegan Cuts. Tells you what you get. Okay, and this looks like you get a back something. Looks like you get a sponge thing. I'll just open it right now. I think it's made out of vegetable because it's vegan. I think it's food. I'm not going to do it. So it's this, comes with this thing, flyer thingy. I don't need. It comes with this, which I think is nail polish. I think it's the same color that I'm wearing. It's a pretty color. Sort of like the other color I was wearing. You get I never have enough lotion. 2 face wipes and this card thing. These are cleansing cloths. This polish is probably worth more than the whole box. I'm putting the lotion with the polish, I meant. I think it's sun lotion. SUNTEGRITY. Suntegrity. What does that mean? That's empty. Oh. It's like a foundation, but it's like, see, I think it's a little too, it's like foundation sun cream. Nice, something for my mom, but I think I'll have it and have more use for it. Because it looks like I'm more tan. Gotta have a little on this hand. Oh, it's all jammed up. Actually, yeah, they put a lot. I'll just wipe it on my arms too. I think it's good stuff. It feels good. This feels so good. I like it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe down below and bye!